The very good and pleasant morning to everyone, my dear boys and girls. I welcome you all to watch this video. I am very delighted to meet you all once again through this video. I hope that you everyone will be very fine. Okay. In this video, we are going to study a beautiful humorous prose which is from fifth unit. The topic is the chair, okay, which was written by a famous writer K. Rajanarayanan. This is the great writer in this world, K. Rajanarayanan. His short name is K. Ra. Okay, already we know he is a famous writer. The main concept of this prose, a house without a chair. The incident in that family before and after the arrival of the chair. Before we move into the prose, let me do a small recall about our previous topic. Our previous topic was a beautiful poem from fifth unit, a father to his son, which was written by Carl August Sandburg. Okay, the main concept of that poem, a piece of worldly wisdom given by a father to a son. The father wishes his son to be with energy and stamina to face hurdles in his life. The next, the father motivates his son to be like a hard rock and withstand life's challenges and sudden betrayals. One should have a deep desire and strong willpower to achieve success. Greed for money has left men dead before they really die. Don't feel ashamed to be called as a fool when you seek knowledge. At the same time, learn from your mistakes and never repeat it. Loneliness helps to be creative, and all the final decisions are taken in silent rooms. And ultimately, the poet wants his son to achieve success, like Shakespeare, Wright brothers, Pasteur, Pavlov, and Michael Faraday. Pleasant morning to everyone. In this video, we are going to see the prose from fifth unit, The Chair, which was written by K. Rajanarayanan. Before we move to the prose, let me tell you about the living author. He was born in 1922 at Idisavali village in Kovilpatti at Thuthukudi district. Okay, Idisavali village, Kovilpatti, Thuthukudi district. He is a living Tamil folklorist and a prolific writer. Folklorist means a person who writes stories about village. நாட்டுப்புறக்கதைகள் எழுதக்கூடிய ஒரு person. Prolific means a person who has written a number of novels. His full name is Rayangala Sri Krishna Raja Narayana Perumal Ramanujam Nayakar. Okay, shortened his name as K. Raja Narayanan, famously known as K. Ra. His first published short story was Mayaman, which was published in 1958. Mayaman, which was published in 1958. And then he has written many short stories, folk tales, novels, and books. Short stories, folk tales, novels, and books. Okay. His stories based on the life and struggles of people in Karisalkadu. The people, those who live in Karisalkadu, the life of people and struggles of people in கரிசல் காடு. கரிசல் காடில் வாழக்கூடிய மக்களுடைய வாழ்க்கை முறையையும் அவங்களுடைய போராட்டத்தையும் பேஸ் பண்ணதாக தான் அவருடைய ஸ்டோரிஸ் எல்லாமே அமைஞ்சிருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. அண்ட் தென் he got Sahitya Akademi Award in 1991. Okay, next, ultimately in 2007, Tanjavur Publishing House, which is called Annam, compiled means தொகுக்கிறது, ஓகேவா, gathering together all his folk tales into a 944 pages book titled as The Natupura Kadai Kalanjiyam. The topic of the book, The Natupura Kadai Kalanjiyam, which has 944 pages. Okay, Moyaman, his first published short story in 1958. Okay, his story is based on the life of people, those who live in Karisal Kadu. Sahitya Akademi Award in 1991. His folk tales compiled by Annam into a 944 pages. The title of the book is The Natupura Kadai Kalanjiyam. The outline of the prose. This prose is about a family that does not have a chair. A family without a chair. About that only in this lesson we are going to study. Okay. Not only that, the entire village has not seen a chair. What a miracle. Not only that family, the entire village, the whole village has not seen a chair so far. Okay, about the family as well as about the village, both of that we are going to study in this prose. The next one, the narrator Kira humorously narrates the incidents that happened before and after the arrival of the chair. Okay, the incidents in that family before the arrival of the chair, at the same time after the arrival of the chair. அந்த வீட்டில் சேர் வர்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி அந்த சேர் வந்ததுக்கு அதுக்கப்புறம் என்னென்ன மாற்றங்கள் நிகழ்ந்தது, என்னென்ன விஷயங்கள் நடந்தது என்றது இந்த நரேட்டர் ஹியூமரஸாக நம்மளுக்கு நரேட் பண்ணுறாரு. ஓகே, the next important one about the prose, main characters of this prose, the narrator and his family members, village people, family friend who is sub-judge, the narrator's family, the members are in that family, party. Okay, so you must know one thing, this story has been translated into English from Tamil. So the words which mention the relationship is given in Tamil language. For example, party. Okay, and then grandfather, narrator's appa, amma, elder brother Pedanna, and elder sister, younger brother and younger sister, attai, maternal uncle, okay, who is mentioned in this prose as Mamanar. They are the main characters of this prose.